Yo, what's up guys? Andy from Tab Lab here, back at it with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1019 in a row. We're going to do the Bitcoin section quick today on my phone, and then we'll hop over to my computer where I'll show you some cool stuff that I have going on. So Bitcoin current price just over 58,000. We saw a dip yesterday down to below 56k. So we're on a little bit of a dip right now, down 9% the past week, down 12% the past month. We did have kind of a strong run up here, and especially right there, so a little bit of a dip is to be expected. Maybe we'll come down and like test this right here, 52k. You don't want to see it, but it might happen. It's normal. Nothing much in the news. The Taproot upgrade is here. This will be coming by December 1st to Cash App, so expect some new features, but overall just an improvement on the network, increased privacy, reduced transaction fees, and better smart contracts. So my current Bitcoin owned is 0.09121618. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just dollar cost averaging, buying $1 every single day. And the app that we use for this is Cash App, obviously. If you haven't ever used Cash App, you can sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. So we can see under activity, I'm buying every day. New balance is 0.09123290. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $5,295, 5295 divided by 1019 days equals a 5.19x on my investment. Still doing very well, over a 5x. That's the power of dollar cost averaging, and just going to continue with that strategy until the end of time, until the dollar cost averagers accumulate all of the Bitcoin. Now let's hop over to my computer and I'll show you some cool updates for today. Okay, so here we are on my computer. I did a full video about this, but this is the Lazy Lions Collectibles dApp. So basically, if you participate, if you sign up with the link in the description, you'll be able to get these collectible NFT packs for free. When you open it up, you're going to get 2 NFTs. This is for the Thanksgiving drop. They've had a Halloween drop. They're going to continue to do more stuff, and if you collect all the cards in this set, you get opportunities to win cool things like a Lazy Lions NFT, which is currently valued over $6,000. So might be something you want to participate in. But since I made that video, I got 5 more packs. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see if we can complete this set here. That'd be pretty cool. So I got Pilgrim's Hat, Pumpkin Pie. Let's open the next pack. Same exact ones. So there is only 8 cards in the set, so you'll definitely get duplicates if you open multiple packs. Lionbacker and Cornucopia. We got 2 more packs. Lionbacker and Turkey. I think I needed Turkey, so that's good. 1 more pack. Turkey and Autumn Leaves. So let's go back here. I can go into my cards right here in the menu. My card collection. So I got 14 of the Thanksgiving cards. So I've got some duplicates here. I still need Parade Float and Wishbone. So like I said, sign up with the link in the description. It'll take you to the Discord. Join the Discord. You'll get a free pack for doing that. Then you can come to collectibles.lazylionsnft.com, and I'll link all of that down in the description. The next big thing, Genesis Synchronauts. I've been talking about this for a long time. They finally revealed. The reveal has happened. They're dope. Here's what they're looking like. Let me zoom in here a little bit. So we've got these here, and they're still in the process of revealing. So this is what the unrevealed one looks like. So if you own one of these and you need to unreveal it, just click on this and then refresh the metadata up here in the top right corner. Then that should reveal it. Let's go back here. The mint price was 0.25. The floor price is currently 0.5. So anybody that minted essentially doubled their money already. Looks like we have 6 before a 1 ETH floor. Let me show you the ones that I got. So I minted 4 and I bought 1. I minted these 4, the first 4 that you see, and I bought this one right here. So the owl in the wolf are epics. I'm not sure of the total number of epics, but there's probably less than 50 out of the 777. And all of these have different backgrounds and like unique animations. So let's open up the wolf here. This one's my favorite, Synchronaut 89. I apologize, my computer is insanely slow. So that's what it looks like. This NFT is kind of crazy because you can like move these around. Remember, my computer's from like 2015, so it's 6 years old. You gotta cut us some slack. I'm sure these are much nicer on like a 2020 computer, you know. But awesome stuff. You can scroll down, see the properties. So this is a wolf, 0.39%. Check out some of the different properties there. So there's a preview of one of mine and what they look like. If you click into the detail, and you can like move them around and play around with them and stuff. You can also come to the main page and then sort this way. So there's a lot of different features. Vital status, there's like the alive and then the zombies. So the zombies are pretty rare too. Like you can go to jacket type. See that some of these have jackets on them and which ones are the most rare. Let's click on like prisoner, see what that one is. So this one has a prisoner jacket. Yeah, you can come in here and like play around. There's some really cool stuff. Lots of work went into these. And it's not just the art on these, of course. If you own one, you'll be in the Synchronauts DAO. You can join the Discord. And basically at that point, you're a part owner. You have voting power. You're gonna have ownership over the products that they build in the NFT and DeFi space, and you'll be able to earn from those in the future. The team has already built a few products and they continue to deliver, so that's why I believe in this project. So might want to scoop Synchronaut. I don't know. But yeah, that's the Bitcoin update for today and some stuff that I'm excited about. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.